Ayan! Hello! Welcome sa... Saan ba ako titigil? Dito. Welcome sa first vlog ko. Ay, this is so awkward. Anyway. So, eto nga, kahapon, dumating yung ating package from UK. And this is actually from my friend. Yes, I was sponsored by my friend. Nakakala nyo totoong sponsored video na, no? Sponsored naman talaga, but not from big companies, but from my good friend, Joanna. Thank you so much! So, eto nga pala yung laman. Nag-unboxing na ako nito kagabi. Ayan. So, I received 1, 2, 3 mini sets of Sennelier oil sticks. So I got the landscape set and the apple set and then the seascape set. Ayan. So ito yung mga colors na kasama dito sa sets. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako titingin. Dito ba o dito? Dito na lang. Ayan. Anyway, sorry na. This is my first vlog. Okay. Ayan. So, itong sets na to, Sennelier is an expensive brand. They have these small sets or mini sets that comes in this size. Ayan, for you to test it out bago ka mag-invest sa kanilang oil sticks. Because these oil sticks are pretty expensive. Ayan, but I received 6 of them. Taran! Alam niyo, nasa wishlist ko lang to dati. Grabe. Dreams do come true, guys. Kaya, kung ano man yung wish nyo, pag-pray nyo lang lagi, dadating din yan kusa. Charot, dadating kusa. Pero hindi ko in-expect na makaka-receive ako ng free oil sticks kasi wala talaga nito dito. Matagal na akong naghahanap. Meron man, sobrang mahal. So, thank you so much again. So, ganito kalaki yung regular size ng oil sticks nila. This is 38 ml. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, ganyan siya kalaki. Compare dito sa mini set. Ayan. But actually, this one will last long. Depende kung saan nyo gagamitin. I just like to use it as for my mixed media artwork, like the ones at the back. Yeah, that one kasi I use oil pastel, but oil pastel doesn't dry. You have to spray it with fixative. But this one, it cures. So it works just as good as it works the same way as regular oil paint, but this one is in stick form. Sorry, nahihiya talaga ako salita. I feel so awkward. Ayan, so, without further ado, ang tagal na ng video. Ayan, itetest na natin yung ating oil sticks. And I have here my unfinished oil paint on Chiang Mai wood. This is actually wood from Chiang Mai. And I use it for sangkalan, chopping board. Di ko kaya siya gawing bakit di ko kaya siya pintahan? O, di ba? Pwede naman. Actually, 2 of my works were already sold. Okay, I have 3. Tawa ko tumawag. Magdadala daw siya ng ice cream. Anyway, going back. So, this is an unfinished oil paint on Chiang Mai wood. And I'm gonna use maybe the apple set for this. And I also have this canvas board. This is ready to use. Pwede mo na siyang gamitin directly. I like using this one for my oil paint. Bubulol ako. I like using this one for my oil. Hindi ko alam talaga kung saan napapatingin ko. I like using this one for my oil paintings because it's easy to use. Gusto ko siyang gamitin para sa mga oil paint. Ayaw mo na nga. Gustong-gusto ko siyang gamitin. So maybe we will test the apple set on this one first. Pwede mo siyang i-coat with gesso to, para merong grip yung paint. But you can use it as it is. Kasi this is pre-primed canvas. But for the best result, I suggest i-gesso nyo siya. Mas maganda. But for this video, I'm just gonna use it as it is. Just gonna turn on my music para focus tayo kasi medyo may ADHD tayo eh. ADHD, chat lang. Kasi medyo nahihirapan tayo mag-focus kapag medyo sobrang tahimik, ang dami natin naririnig. Ayan, so I need my music to focus. And then I'm gonna show you the speed painting process when I test this one. So for today, I'm gonna use this apple set. Yan mo nga. Ayun, basta ito gagamitin ko. I'm ready. Okay, so one thing I noticed lang is medyo meron siyang strong scent. So, according online, it's safe to use naman indoors, but medyo natitrigger niya yung yung rhinitis ko. Tsaka yung anxiety ko. So, just to be sure, I'll just be using gloves na lang kasi baka since it triggers my rhinitis, baka meron din siyang ingredient na nagkakos ng allergic reaction sa akin din when in contact with my skin. So, better safe than sorry, diba? So, I'll just use my gloves and maybe my mask to protect myself then. We are going to use this. Make sure that you will use it in a well-ventilated area kasi medyo strong talaga yung scent niya. Ayun lang naman yung napansin ko sa kanya. But so far, it works the same way as regular oil paint. You can use it with any medium that you prefer. You can use it with turpentine, liquid, anything, or linseed oil. You can use it just as how you will use a normal oil paint. Ayun lang. So, just be safe. Just to be safe, magmamask na lang siguro ako tsaka yung Pero tingnan nyo. I'm working in a well-ventilated area already. So, andito ako sa tapat ng window. Ayan. So, medyo strong pa rin yung scent niya. And I turned on the fan already para mag-circulate yung hangin sa loob. Kaso, medyo nararamdaman ko talaga yung makati yung ilong ko. So, ayun. I'll just use my gloves and my mask.
na talaga kinaya ng powers ko yung amoy. Baka ma-allergy tayo ng malala. Yan, iba na nga yung boses ko, parang lumalabas na yung pagkalalaki ko. Charot. Ang katinan lalamunan ko na, at saka barado na yung ilong ko. Ayan. Barado na siya. So, I've decided to pause and then continue working on it tomorrow na lang sa garahe. Since mas well-ventilated yung area, so may chance na hindi ko talaga siya maaamoy or hindi magsistay yung, or hindi maglilinger yung amoy or yung scent or yung fumes sa room. Unlike kasi sa kabilang kwarto, parang hindi siya masyadong ventilated kahit na nasa tapat ako ng bintana. I will update you kung mas okay ba siya if we're working in an open area or a well-ventilated area, kung hindi ba siya ganun ka-strong. Para sa mga artist na kagaya ko na merong allergic rhinitis. So, I will test it out for you. Pinapakalma ko lang yung sarili ko kasi na-anxiety ako. Medyo praning tayo sa mga ganyang bagay. But according naman online, it's non-toxic, so nothing to worry about. That's what I'm telling myself. Hindi ko talaga alam saan ako titingin. Dito. Ayun, it's non-toxic, so it's fine. Ino-convince ko talaga yung sarili ko. Anyway, wala na rin namang araw. So, I think it's better to film tomorrow para mas maganda yung lighting. I will update you once I am done with the first painting that we did with Sennelier oil paint sticks. Yun lang. Bye!